Hey everyone, it's Chris. Are you looking for a budget-friendly sublimation mug press that gets the job done? Consider the MPress mug press. So what's so special about this mug press? Well, the machine offers a robust full bleed heating element that covers both 11 and 15 ounce sublimation mugs. It's easy to set up, has a digital time and temperature gauge, and the temperature can be maxed out at 400 degrees. Now what can this press be used for? It's best for 11 and 15 ounce sublimation mugs, though it can also work with other items of about 3¼ inch diameter. If you're only applying a smaller graphic to your blanks, for example a 12 ounce lowball tumbler with a logo, this machine can still do the job. Now who is this press best for? Well, to be honest, I'm pretty much a beginner and this press was very easy for me to use and learn. So I would say it's the perfect starter's mug press for hobbyists and crafters who are trying to get into mugs. It's simplified in operation thanks to its 2-knob pressure adjustment and one-size-fits-all heating element. Did I mention it's highly affordable? So if you're short on cash, then look under your fridge for some quarters and in a couple days you'll be able to purchase this mug press. While the MPress mug press is budget friendly, there's no going wrong with starting with this machine for your very own small business. If you have any further questions, make sure to check out heatpressnation.com and also check out our YouTube channel as well as hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later.